Welcome to East Block. This historic building on Parliament Hill was once the center of decision-making in Canada. The Governor-General, the Prime Minister, and Cabinet were based in this landmark during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Today, it is a modern workplace for senators and their staff, but several rooms have been restored to their former state. With their unique art, architecture, and decor, these rooms offer us a glimpse of life at Parliament in the 1870s. The building's main entrance and grand staircase were reserved for the Governor-General, who is the monarch's representative in Canada. The staircase leads directly to the Governor-General's office. It is a striking room with large glass windows, intricate crown molding, and a richly patterned carpet. There are reminders of the Governor-General's role throughout the office. The color red, a symbol of the monarchy, is featured in the fire screen, window trimmings, chairs, and the dispatch box that was used to transport state papers between Parliament and Rideau Hall. On the wall, there are portraits of Queen Victoria, Canada's first monarch, and her husband, Prince Albert. Down the hall, we find the original office of the Prime Minister, Canada's head of government. There's an oversized desk in the center of the room, with the Prime Minister's chair closest to the fireplace, the warmest spot on a cold day. Right across from the chair is a large map of Canada in 1871, a reminder of the country's rapid expansion during this time. This room even had running water. In warmer months, water was pumped directly from the Ottawa River into a private wash basin, a rare luxury at the time. Another office in East Block was used at the time by members of Cabinet, ministers who were responsible for one or more government departments. In later years, the room was used by generations of prime ministers. The room offers a view of the main Parliament building and its grounds. It also showcases many of the unusual features found throughout East Block, like call bells, which senior officials used to summon messengers, and spittoons, which were provided to guests who chewed tobacco. East Block also features gaslit chandeliers, known as gaseliers. The gas lines extended to the desk lamps, an advanced technology for its time. One of the grandest spaces in East Block is the Privy Council Chamber. For more than 100 years, Cabinet met in this room to discuss the issues of the day and to decide on the government's policies and priorities. Meticulously restored to its original state, the room features a gaselier over a massive table, a fireplace, and many bookcases. The room showcases East Block's ornate crown moldings, as well as the state-of-the-art heating system which allowed hot air to be vented into all of the rooms. Despite this innovation, East Block rarely got warmer than 12 degrees during Ottawa's long winters. While the building has modernized over time, the heritage rooms at East Block continue to offer a window into the past and a glimpse of what it was like to work at the center of government in the late 19th century.